was history in the making, round two.
The 44th President of the United States of America.
Fewer people than 4 years ago, but nearly 1 million Americans stood shoulder to shoulder in Washington's National Mall, including former presidents and celebrities.
My country, 'tis of thee.
Having already been officially sworn in,
I, Barack Hussein Obama, do solemnly swear.
this was just ceremonial, but the nerves were still there
The office of President of the United States.
And will,
as he took the oath of office holding the Bibles of Martin Luther King and Abraham Lincoln.
so help you God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
And with that, Barack Obama becomes just the 17th president to begin a second term. But after this day of celebration comes the harsh reality of another 4 years in power.
My fellow Americans, we are made for this moment, and we will seize it so long as we seize it together.
With an eye on his legacy, he set a bold second-term agenda, urging action on climate change, gender equality, and for the first time in an inaugural speech, a president mentioned gay rights.
Our journey is not complete until our gay brothers and sisters are treated like anyone else under the law.
The 57th inauguration ended with Beyoncé's stirring rendition of the national anthem. As he left, Barack Obama paused to look out at the sea of spectators, soaking in the final moments of his last inauguration. In Washington, Mike A. Moore, 7 News.
Perth's #1, Australia's #1.